Hello friends, today we are going to learn about basics of watercoloring. So to know that, I'm going to basically teach or do a simple tonal chart so that we can know the depth of shading. So I'm using a 6B pencil and I'm going to add my pressure every step so that we get a nice gradation of black shade. So it starts from pure white, then a shade of gray, then I have hatched it with lines, crisscross lines, and I'm using an earbud to smudge it off to create this tonal chart. So this it helps us to know the values of black and white. Once we know this light to dark gradation in any set of colors you're going to use, we can create beautiful watercolor paintings. So this is the basics of any style of drawing. So any picture needs this light and dark effect to create a nice effect. So I have added nearly 8 different dark shades to know the value of tones. You can see the nice gradation there. I have used a 6B pencil here and I am using my buds to make the smudging better. Now let us try to draw up here and create a beautiful green gradational tones and to make it look like a 3D object. So I have drawn a simple sketch of up here. Now I am dividing the zones where I am going to make the variations with the watercolor. I'm going to use green color and try to make all these shades as if I have done on the tonal region. So initially the central part is region number 1 where we are not going to add any color, leave it to the paper white. Then this is the tonal value number 2. Now the 4 bit darker shade so that you can get the nice gradation from the center. Now just adding a bit darker green to create a value level of 6. So it depends upon us how we make it denser or lighter. So it's just the green color and I added some water to dilute it and create this gradation. So it's now the 6 value. Now it's moved into 7. So I added the value number 7 now. So you can see the gradation here and there. So it starts from 1. Slowly move on to 2, 3, 4. Now I fill the central part with 8. I mix a little bit of Prussian blue to make it look like a darker shade. So this is how we basically shade any spherical shaped object using a color pencil or a normal pencil or watercolor. So with any medium the lighting remains the same, and this is just for the shadow with our most darkest shade. So there is no usage of black here. It's all about green and blue, a little bit of burnt sienna to add the depth to it. I'm adding a burnt sienna with a mixture of blue for the darker shade, the shadow of the twig. So this is how we practice with simple objects that we find at home to know about the lighting process that involves in a watercolor. I'm just trying to add the same tonal value with my green. So this helps us to know our color chart and get prepared for any sort of picture we try to draw. Hope this video will be very useful to you, and let me know in your comments for further improvements. Thank you for watching this channel. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you.